Here we go again. Every day is a fresh start. This chair cover is off because a cat spit up on it, and need to clean that spot there. There's cat spit up on it, and I put that in here. The cat food needs to go in the container. I restarted the wash. Feeling overwhelmed with this mess and that mess, and this is all vacuumed recently. This was soaking up the leak on the floor from the dishwasher leaking. Dishwasher needs to be emptied again and refilled. Okay, the dishwasher is not draining. There's a pool of water under there. See that?
Yeah.
You gonna help me figure it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Alright. This opens up somehow. I just have to remember how. Okay, this opens up. And no, that one can stay. It's not. Okay. Alright, so that's part of the problem. This was all stuck in there. But it's still not draining. Probably because the drain in the... Okay, so this needs to be cleaned a bit more. See? It's empty. Gross. Oh, don't throw that in there, buddy. I gotta fix the dishwasher first. Also, that's... Okay, that is empty. Okay.
Yeah, I'm wrong.
Yeah, something's wrong.
Yeah.
Don't play in the dirty dishwater, it's icky. Okay, I'm gonna close this for now because I gotta get to the drain in the sink. Excuse me. Let me close it. It's not working, buddy. Okay. Actually, maybe I'll take out this part too.
A-O-D.
Yeah. Okay, that... There was some plastic in there. That could be part of the problem too.
Why am I flat?
I don't feel any other clogs right now. This needs to be cleaned.
Right there. I don't have camera.
Well, yeah. See that? See that? How much dirty water there is?
It's cold.
It's very cold. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna close this for a sec. I need to get to the.
Why am I warm?
Well, it's warm when it washes dishes. Okay. So this drain needs to be cleaned.
What? Can't eat them. Mom, can't eat a bite.
The water is not going down very much. It's going down a little bit. I poured some CLR down it. These are my little helpers. My little helpers. No, what are you doing with that? Watch your head. Oh, watch your head. Oh, you're soaking up the water? That's a good idea. Want help draining out the water? fine, baby. Okay, where'd the plunger go? Where did the plunger? Where to put the plunger? The plunger, the plunger. Where to put the plunger? Okay, I will hold you, baby. Here, you want up? Are you helping? Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, he's just helping you in it. How about push on this side of the drain? The drain's right in the middle there. Yep, push right there and up and down. Do you need the stool closer? Okay. Okay. I'll move this out of the way so that you can wait here. Oh, I think there's a screen. Okay, push it up and down like this, okay? We can't work that in the dishwasher. We gotta clear the pipe with this in the sink. Okay, let's find the drain again. Right here in the middle. After my youngest tried to help, my oldest helped me clear the drain. So thank you, Aiden. The tricky thing is you have to hold one side closed while plunging the other side. Well, unfortunately, clearing the sink drain didn't drain the dishwasher, so I have to investigate down here. Oh, God. Okay. This is a mess. Shit. This will have to be all cleaned out, and some water got in here, so ew. I was pouring boiling water over it. So kids, if you can't find a flathead screwdriver, you could always use a butter knife and pinch. I am disconnecting the dishwasher drain hose to see if it's clogged. And yeah, it definitely was, because no water was coming out of it when I was trying to shake the drain hose. Come on. Well, I put a drain snake down this part to see if there's anything stuck in this side as well. Oh, yeah, that's it. I feel like... Okay, I don't have very good coordination. That is going through now. Okay, but this. There's no water coming out of here yet. Okay, let's stick this back on here. And then tighten that. Are you okay, buddy? Oh. Okay, I'll wash my hands and think of you not in the living room.
You gotta wash. You hear a kiss too. He's like,
Come on, buddy.
am I loving you too much? Give up my glasses. Give up my glasses.
Careful. Very much.
Yeah. Is there an echo here? Did you notice that?
After giving him some milk, later I went back to try to see how it was going. It still hadn't drained fully, and so there's still really another clog issue. It's very hot now. We used a straw cleaner, just basically a pipe cleaner, to get the little crevices and drains in here. The snake. It's on top of the pile there because he grabbed it. On top of the chair and stuff. Yeah. Emmett, I don't want you to slip and fall, buddy. Why you just climber? No, it'll cost you.
I just need my pill.
Oh. Yeah. Oh my God.
Woof. Oh. Oh, that was you. I thought the dog was... I cannot climb back on that counter because it's wet.
It's okay, I'll put it.
Can you put the pills in?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Alright, I love you.
Love you too, honey. Have a safe trip.
What?
Have a safe trip. there's also some debris around this. It wasn't spinning well, so I cleaned that part up. Why is it's not dissolving?
Mom,
Yeah?
you gotta bring my house key with me.
Okay. Why isn't it dissolving? So I was frustrated because the baking soda that I was using to clean it wasn't dissolving. So yeah, but it didn't help. It was just I was getting impatient. I feel like it's going down. Because there's still so much. It'd be handy if I had like a wet and dry vacuum, but I don't. Rex, what are you doing? So before scooping out the excess water, I just put in soap mixture. I just spread it around the dishwasher so that I could give it a good wipe down inside. Okay. Why is this clogged? I feel like there's another screw there, but I can't get to that. Unless I can. No, I can't get to that. How on earth would I possibly get to that? I don't know. I can't see in it. Here's another round of boiling water. Here's where the magic happens. So I use my vacuum to on the hose, and I wouldn't advise that unless you have a wet and dry vac. I was very careful not to get water in my vacuum. Every time a clog came out, I would let the water pour out until it stopped, and then I would vacuum again. And then when I felt the water coming, I would make sure the water was going into the bucket instead of in the vacuum. And yeah, that got the water out finally. Before dumping, I use that solution to cleaning up the filter some more. There's still some dirt in here, so I'm going to clean that out. Making sure to soak up the rest of the water before sticking a vacuum in to get the rest of the dry debris. That ball goes there, this goes there, I gotta screw those back in. Oops, I missed a piece. Where does this piece go? I did not record myself taking it apart fully, so it was a bit challenging to remember how to put it back together at first, but it's okay. It's good. So it's back going. And then I take this and I tighten it. A screwdriver to put back on because I needed one for taking apart the inside of the dishwasher. Cleaning up under the sink before putting things back. These are just gonna stay there because they always are there. So. This can go out. Okay, well, that's better, and the sink drain is clear and clean. I decided to also fix that piece of wood sticker stuff, and I think so. Sounds like it's working. It's running, and oh, also needed to put the cupboard back together. Oh, hopefully I bent this back enough that will go on. Otherwise I'll have to replace it. Okay, that looks functional. Yay. I also put the cupboard door back on. I was off for a while. So let's see. Open. Shut. And it doesn't open. Ha 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 ha. Things back nicely organized next time. Picking up the dish soap and hand soap. A lot got done in this video, but there's still a lot left to do, so tune in next time. Thank you.